Hi, this is Robert Kempster. I'm from New York. I'm called the debt-free guy. I like to say, show me the money. We're here today with my man, Nathan Lucas. And he's going to show you the money because he's been showing all of us the money. In fact, I could almost say he's one of my heroes. Maybe at the top. Since he's here, he's the top number one. Yeah, but he's killing it with legendary marketer. And let him tell his story. Nathan.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Nathan, like Robert said. And so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about my story. Hopefully it inspires you guys to pursue something that maybe you thought you wouldn't ever pursue before, and that is a life of freedom. So I'll tell you just real quick a little bit about how I got exposed to this industry and how I got started and where it's taken me today and how Legendary has played a role in that. So I kind of got started in this online researching about three years ago. And I started looking at people making money online. I started seeing people creating an income that more than doctors and lawyers make, right? By growing a business. And a lot of times that was on the side, you know, just doing it part-time. I said, what? No way. There's no way this can be real. So naturally, I looked into it a little bit more. Come to find out, you know, there's quite a few people like this hidden underground group of entrepreneurs who are creating a life of complete freedom, making multiple six figures or even millions of dollars online. And I was skeptical at first, but after doing research, finding it's true that people are doing this, it was a no-brainer for me, because not only did I see that people were doing this, I found people who were doing it that were no smarter than me. And trust me, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. So I told myself, if other people can do this, there's no reason that I can't do this. And of course, I think a lot of people feel like they want more in life, right? And if you knew that it was attainable, if you knew you could do it, and I think that most people don't understand that they have that option, I think that they would do it. So once I found out it was possible, I put my head down, and it wasn't, you know, it wasn't the easiest thing at first. I was kind of all over the place, ADD, not knowing exactly what to do, but as I started to get some results, I started to build a belief. And something clicked. When I started to believe it, everything changed, because I started to actually take action and grow my business. And so what happened is, actually, this year, I came across this program called Legendary Marketer. And since I've been in this program this year alone, I've been able to make multiple six figures. Now, there's a disclaimer here, you guys. You have to work for this. You have to want it. You have to be dedicated to it. You have to make a decision, because this isn't going to happen overnight. All right. Like I said, I've been slowly building my business for just under 3 years at the point of filming this video. And there were times I wanted to quit. There were times when I was wondering, yeah, it's possible for other people, but is it possible for me? And so there was times I wanted to quit, but I'm glad I didn't, because now my income has gone through the roof. And the training in the program that we're talking about here inside Legendary has all the tools, training, and platform to grow an
All the
income
skill sets, yeah,
that can change your life. And so there's going to be a link around here somewhere for you guys to grab a book 100% free by Dave Sharp in the Legendary Marketer book, right? And it's a physical book. It'll get shipped to you guys. It's for free. He's giving it away for free. You just got to pay for the shipping, right?
Correct, correct. Yeah, you have to pay for shipping. Remember that. But that is really nothing compared to the value you're getting. Yes. And the book itself is free. So click down below, subscribe, hit a like, do something. Thank you for watching. Take care.